My buddy over at Stove and Garden commented on one of our TikToks asking us to make a breakfast sandwich. I think we've made the ultimate breakfast sandwich. We've got sausage, bacon, a fried egg, cheese, some hot sauce on a buttery croissant. Let's show you how we made it.
You're a buttery croissant.
Don't ever say that to me again.
Let's get to work on the ultimate breakfast sandwich. First up is the bacon. Why is this first? Well, it takes the longest to cook. Since we are using the oven for this bacon, it'll take about 20 to 25 minutes. We're simply going to line this baking sheet with some aluminum foil and lay out the bacon. Optionally, you can add some fresh cracked pepper as well. Put this in the oven and then turn it to 400 degrees. Starting it in a cold oven allows for the fat to properly render down. I like to flip the bacon halfway through the cook, and once you do that, monitor it every few minutes to make sure you're cooking it to your preferred doneness. For me, it's perfect after about 20 minutes when it's not quite crispy, but it can kind of hold its shape. Okay, so now let's talk about the vessel for this sandwich. I'm going for a buttery, flaky croissant here. Split it down the middle, and it is vital that you toast this. Why? Well, the answer to that is texture. I want some crispiness when I bite into this, so toast both sides in a hot pan for a minute or two to make sure that you achieve the proper texture. Next up to bat is the sausage. We have a mild country sausage here. I'm making 2 of these behemoths, so I'm going to use a 1/4 pound for each patty. I'm going to roughly shape this into the shape of the croissant since that's our chosen vessel for this mission. If you're using, let's say a biscuit, then opt for a circle. With that in mind, you might consider a square shape when using toast. If you want more help with this, I recommend checking out Fisher-Price's Baby's First Blocks, and that should help you better understand the shapes that we're referring to. Lay your sausage patty in the skillet and cook it for a few minutes over high heat. We're going to smash this down similar to how we would a smash burger. This is going to allow it to retain its shape, not shrink up too much, and more importantly, develop that perfect crust we all desire. Give it a flip, and if you did this right, you should have a perfect crust like this. And it's at this point that you can add some cheese, and I'm going with American cheese because for some reason I enjoy when you all yell at me and tell me to eat real cheese. Remove this whenever the cheese is melted, and then we're on to the eggs. I hope you saved your bacon grease because we're not counting any calories today. Add a few tablespoons of bacon grease to a skillet, place it over medium-high heat, and crack in a few eggs. Cook these however you prefer, but I'm going to cook these over medium. You could also scramble this if you prefer. Be sure to season the eggs before removing, and that's basically it. Now that we have all the pieces to this puzzle, let's put it together. I'm assembling this masterpiece by starting with sausage. After that, I'm going to lay on a few pieces of bacon. Throw your fried egg on there, and I'm going to add a little bit of hot sauce as well. I really like this Old Bay hot sauce, so that's what I'm going to use. The final step is to crown your masterpiece with the top of the croissant, and that's it. This thing is massive, but this thing looks amazing. Let's see how it is. That was a messy bite, but that was an incredible bite. This is really good. I really love this croissant. I'm normally gonna make a biscuit in most cases or use some toast or something like that, but this croissant is awesome. I love that Old Bay hot sauce in there too. That is so good. Go make this. The recipe's in the description. Leave a comment letting us know what you want to see us cook next. Please subscribe to us. It helps us out so much. Leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.